Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Tinder force stop. To know how to fix or how to solve Tinder force stop, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list of apps you will go to the application of Tinder. When you find this list of app info you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.